Have you ever wondered if a simple cup of tea could help you manage your energy levels? Or if there's an easy, natural way to support overall health without spending a fortune? Today, we're going to talk about something that might surprise you. We'll explore cinnamon tea, why it's special, how it may help your body in many ways, and how to make it at home for the best results. By the end of this video, you will learn how cinnamon tea can be a powerful addition to your routine. Before we dive deeper, let's share a couple of quick facts that might catch your interest. First, a study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that cinnamon has strong antioxidant properties. Second, research also suggests that certain compounds in cinnamon may help keep blood sugar levels stable by increasing insulin sensitivity. These points hint at why cinnamon tea can be more than just a tasty drink. I want you to feel confident that the information you're getting here is trustworthy and can guide you toward possible health benefits. This script is based on credible studies and traditional knowledge that has been passed down for centuries. By watching this video, you will learn tried and true methods to brew a soothing cup of cinnamon tea and understand how it might help you achieve better well-being. Now, let's get straight to the main topic. The 10 magical benefits of cinnamon tea. One major benefit is its possible effect on balancing blood sugar. Many of us struggle with sugar crashes, energy dips, and cravings for sweet treats. Cinnamon contains a compound called cinnamaldehyde, which some researchers believe can make cells more responsive to insulin. This means your body can manage sugar levels better, with fewer spikes and crashes. Over time, this might help you avoid those mid-afternoon slumps and constant cravings that make it hard to stick to a healthy diet. By sipping cinnamon tea, especially after meals, you may feel more stable energy levels, which can in turn support a balanced mood and a more positive outlook on the day. Another reason people love cinnamon tea is its high antioxidant content. Antioxidants are natural substances that help protect our cells from damage caused by unstable molecules known as free radicals. If left unchecked, free radicals may lead to premature aging and make us more prone to various health issues. Cinnamon, according to several studies, has a remarkable level of antioxidants called polyphenols. When you drink cinnamon tea, you introduce these protective compounds into your body, potentially helping your cells stay healthier for longer. This protection could also lead to benefits for your skin, as antioxidants often help maintain a more youthful look and feel. Moving on, cinnamon tea can also help soothe digestion. If you deal with occasional bloating, mild cramps, or general discomfort after large meals, a warm cup of cinnamon tea might be your new best friend. In traditional healing systems like Ayurveda, cinnamon has been valued for supporting gut health. Research suggests that cinnamon's natural oils may help reduce gas formation, calm the stomach, and encourage smoother digestion. You can think of it as a gentle internal massage for your digestive tract. By relaxing your stomach muscles, this tea may provide a comforting effect, making it easier to get on with your day without that heavy or bloated feeling. Cinnamon also has natural anti-inflammatory properties. In simple terms, inflammation is your body's way of protecting itself, but ongoing low-level inflammation can sometimes be linked to problems with joints, the heart, and even metabolism. Compounds in cinnamon, particularly cinnamaldehyde, might help your body manage inflammatory markers better. While drinking cinnamon tea won't erase every ache or health challenge, it can be a subtle ally in your overall plan for long-term wellness. If you mix this habit with an anti-inflammatory diet, think fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats, then you might notice improvements in how you feel day to day, especially regarding joint comfort and general energy. An often discussed area where cinnamon may help is heart health. Studies indicate that cinnamon might keep cholesterol levels in check, particularly the so-called bad LDL cholesterol, and certain fats in the blood known as triglycerides. When these are high, they can contribute to plaque buildup in blood vessels. Of course, cinnamon alone won't keep your heart in perfect condition, but it might be a small, tasty part of a heart-friendly lifestyle that also includes exercise, nutritious meals, and stress management. Over time, these steps can add up, giving your cardiovascular system better support. Speaking of overall health, cinnamon tea could give your immune system a tiny extra boost too. Cinnamon has antimicrobial properties, meaning it may help fight off certain bacteria and fungi. While you should still practice good hygiene and rely on medical advice when needed, a regular cup of cinnamon tea might provide mild protection against common germs. Another angle is that by lowering oxidative stress, because of its antioxidants, cinnamon can help your immune system stay strong and ready. In cold or flu season, a warm mug of cinnamon tea feels especially comforting, keeping you hydrated and possibly lending a bit of extra support to your defenses. When it comes to managing weight, cinnamon tea might be an indirect helper. Thanks to its potential to stabilize blood sugar, it can reduce those sudden energy dips that often make us crave sweets or quick carbs. People who find themselves snacking between meals might notice they have fewer cravings after adding cinnamon tea to their routine, especially if they drink it instead of sugary beverages. Also, cinnamon itself has a naturally sweet and spicy flavor, so you might feel less inclined to add extra sugar or sweeteners to your tea. Over time, cutting back on added sugar is a significant step toward healthier weight management. Combine that with regular exercise and a balanced diet, and you could see a difference in your overall wellness. Another plus is that cinnamon tea might help with stress relief. The warm, cozy aroma can create a sense of comfort that makes it easier to unwind. Scientific findings suggest that pleasant scents and hot drinks can stimulate certain neurotransmitters tied to a calmer mood. Sipping on cinnamon tea offers a brief pause in a hectic day, giving you a chance to slow down. This pause can be especially useful for people who struggle with anxious feelings. Though cinnamon tea won't fix serious mental health issues on its own, it can be a gentle, soothing addition to your self-care practices, like meditation, journaling, or simply taking a few deep breaths. Many people are also interested in how cinnamon might support their brain. Early research suggests that cinnamon could help protect neurons from damage caused by oxidative stress. Some studies look into how cinnamon affects certain proteins in the brain that are linked to memory and learning, though more research is needed to be sure. Still, it's exciting to think that a simple spice could play a small but meaningful role in maintaining cognitive function. By pairing cinnamon tea with other healthy lifestyle choices, like engaging in puzzles, reading, or any activity that challenges the mind, you might help keep your brain sharper as you age. Finally, one of the simplest benefits of cinnamon tea is that it tastes great and can fit easily into many lifestyles. Unlike some teas or herbal infusions that might taste bitter, cinnamon tea has a warm, slightly sweet flavor that makes it feel like a treat. It's easy to blend with other ingredients, such as ginger, cardamom, or a small piece of apple, to create a new favorite beverage. It can be served hot in cold weather, or brewed as an iced tea for a refreshing summer drink. This flexibility makes it much easier to stick to a regular cinnamon tea habit. This seems like a perfect time to thank you for watching and to ask for a little support. If you've enjoyed learning about these 10 magical benefits of cinnamon tea, please take a moment to like this video, share it with friends or family who might be interested, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue to offer useful information about food, wellness, and everyday health tips. Now that we've explored the main benefits, let's move on to how to pick the right type of cinnamon. Many people don't realize that there are different varieties, with Cassia and Ceylon being the two main ones. Cassia cinnamon, which is often found in regular grocery stores, is usually cheaper but higher in a substance called coumarin. In large amounts, coumarin may not be very kind to the liver. On the other hand, Ceylon cinnamon, sometimes called true cinnamon, has much lower levels of coumarin and is considered safer for regular consumption. Ceylon cinnamon has a milder taste, so if you're used to the stronger flavor of Cassia, you might notice a slight difference. Still, many experts recommend Ceylon cinnamon if you plan to drink cinnamon tea frequently, as it carries a lower risk of side effects. When you're looking for good cinnamon, check labels or buy from a source you trust that specifies Ceylon or true cinnamon. While Cassia is fine in small amounts, especially if you only sprinkle it on your oatmeal occasionally, it's worth being mindful if you're going to consume several cups of cinnamon tea each week. Think of it like choosing the right grade of fuel for your car. You want the best possible quality if you're relying on it regularly. Next, let's talk about how to brew cinnamon tea for the best flavor and health benefits. The process is very simple, but a few small steps can make a big difference. First, decide if you want to use cinnamon sticks or ground cinnamon. Cinnamon sticks usually give a softer, more delicate flavor, while ground cinnamon can taste a bit stronger. If you're using sticks, 1 standard stick per cup of water is a good starting point. Bring the water to a gentle boil, drop in the stick, and then reduce the heat to let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. After that, turn off the heat and let it steep for another couple of minutes. If you prefer ground cinnamon, about half a teaspoon per cup should be enough. You'll do the same steps. Boil the water, add the cinnamon, simmer, then let it steep. If you're using ground cinnamon, you'll likely need a fine mesh strainer or even a paper filter to catch the small particles after brewing. You can also enhance the flavor of your cinnamon tea by adding other ingredients. A slice or two of fresh ginger can bring a spicy kick and further aid digestion. If you enjoy a sweeter taste, consider adding a little honey or pure maple syrup. Some people like a squeeze of lemon juice for extra brightness and a dash of vitamin C. If you're a fan of regular tea, you could put a green or black tea bag in the pot, along with the cinnamon stick to create a more complex flavor. This also boosts the antioxidant power of your drink, since tea leaves are known for their healthful compounds. If you'd like a cold version, try making an iced cinnamon tea. You can do this by placing your ingredients in water in the fridge and letting them steep overnight. This cold brew method draws out the flavor more gently and can give you a refreshing beverage to enjoy when the weather is warm. In the morning, strain the mixture, add ice if you like, and you have a tasty, cooling tea without needing to boil water. Some people even add apple slices or orange peels for a fruity twist. Now, let's discuss how often you can enjoy cinnamon tea. Most people can have 1 or 2 cups a day without issues, especially if they're using Ceylon cinnamon. If you have any health concerns, like liver problems, a sensitive stomach, or if you're on specific medications such as blood thinners, it might be wise to check with a healthcare professional before drinking cinnamon tea daily. Everyone's body is different, so it's always good to be safe when introducing a new habit or supplement into your life. As you continue your journey, remember that cinnamon tea is just one part of a healthier lifestyle. It's not a magic solution on its own, but rather a helpful partner when used alongside a good diet, regular exercise, and proper rest. So, yes, you might see improvements in how you feel, but it's best to combine it with other healthy habits. Over the long run, these small daily choices, like swapping sugary drinks for a natural, flavor-packed tea, can add up and make a big difference in how you look and feel. Keep in mind that some people may be allergic or sensitive to cinnamon. If you notice any irritation in your mouth, lips, or throat, or any unusual reaction on your skin, it may be a sign of an allergy. In that case, stop using it and speak with a medical professional. Also, if you are pregnant, it's a good idea to ask your doctor if cinnamon tea is suitable for your situation. A cup or 2 every now and then is usually fine, but it's always better to double check. Before we close, let's quickly review the main points we covered to help you remember everything. Cinnamon tea may help balance blood sugar, thanks to the compound cinnamaldehyde that can support better insulin function. It's rich in antioxidants, which guard cells against damage and aging. It may support smoother digestion, ease mild inflammation in the body, and even help maintain healthy cholesterol levels, which is good for the heart. Cinnamon tea also has mild antimicrobial properties that could offer a small immune boost. Plus, it can help you manage weight by curbing sugar cravings and might have a calming effect on your mood due to its soothing scent and warmth. Studies also hint that it might protect brain cells from oxidative stress, though more research is needed. And let's not forget, it tastes amazing. Its versatility means you can enjoy it all year long, hot or iced, plain or with other spices and fruits. When you do your grocery shopping, remember the difference between Cassia and Ceylon cinnamon. Pick the Ceylon variety if you plan to drink cinnamon tea often, because it has a lower coumarin level, making it safer for regular use. Then, follow simple steps to brew. Boil water, add your cinnamon, stick or ground. Let it simmer, steep, and strain. To spice things up, consider adding ginger, lemon, honey, or even a tea bag of your choice. Or try a cold brew in the fridge if you prefer iced drinks. Keep your daily intake moderate and remember that people with certain health conditions should consult a doctor first. We hope this script has given you a clear idea of why cinnamon tea is considered magical by many. Its benefits, while not guaranteed to be dramatic for everyone, are backed by studies and long-standing traditional use. By making a simple cup of cinnamon tea part of your daily life, you might notice small positive changes that add up over time. Of course, results may vary, but the fact remains that cinnamon tea is both comforting and potentially beneficial. As we wrap up, we want to say thank you for staying with us. If you found this information useful or learned something new, please remember to like this video, share it with anyone who could use a bit of healthy inspiration, and subscribe to our channel. Your support means a lot to us and helps us continue bringing you more tips and insights on wellness. We hope you're excited to give cinnamon tea a try. It's a small, tasty step that may pave the way for better health in the long run. So go ahead, brew yourself a cup, sip slowly, and enjoy the warmth and flavor that cinnamon tea can offer. Here's to your well-being and a healthier, happier life. One cozy cup at a time.